Hello student, in this video I am going to explain special types of quadrilateral. So dear children, quadrilateral are classified on the basis of the relations of their sides and angle. Okay, so the first type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay, so a quadrilateral a quadrilateral is called parallelogram. A quadrilateral is called parallelogram if their opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, so the first type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. So a quadrilateral is called parallelogram if their opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, so let us see its diagram. The figure of parallelogram is this is a figure of parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram where pairs of opposite sides are equal, okay, and parallel. Where AB is parallel to CD and same AD is parallel and equal to BC. Okay, and its properties of parallelogram. The properties of parallelogram is properties of parallelogram. So the first property of a parallelogram is the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, the first property is parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, opposite sides are equal and parallel, and in quadrilateral opposite angle are equal to each other. So here angle B is equal to angle D and angle A is equal to angle C. So second property are opposite angle are equal and its diagonal bisect to each other. In parallelogram, diagonal bisect to each other. So diagonal is bisect to each other. Okay, diagonal are bisect to each other, and the sum of adjacent angle, its adjacent angle is complementary. Okay, The adjacent angle is supplementary, means the sum of angle A and B. A, B is called adjacent angle. The sum of adjacent angle is supplementary, means is equal to 180 degree. The fourth property is adjacent angle is supplementary, means the sum of angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, and sum of angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So these are property of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angle are equal, diagonal bisect to each other, and adjacent angle is supplementary. Okay, the next type of quadrilateral is rhombus. Okay, rhombus. So a parallelogram is called rhombus if its all sides are equal. Okay, if all sides are parallelogram are equal, then it is called a rhombus. Okay, so this is a figure of rhombus. All sides are equal. This is A, B, C and D. So therefore all sides are equal. Okay, and its properties here opposite sides. Okay, opposite sides of rhombus also equal and parallel. Okay, also equal and parallel. So here AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to DC, and opposite angle, okay, opposite angle are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B equal to D, and its diagonal bisect to each other. Okay, its diagonal are bisect to each other at 90 degree. So this is bisect to each other at 90 degree. This is a point O. Okay, and the adjacent angle is supplementary also. Okay, so this is the property of rhombus, and other is rectangle. Rectangle. The next type of quadrilateral is rectangle. So a parallelogram is called rectangle if each angle is right angle. Okay, so a parallelogram is called rectangle if each angle is 90 degree. So this is a rectangle A, B, C, D. Each angle is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Okay, and its diagonal are bisect to each other. Okay, the property of rectangle is diagonal are bisect to each other, and here adjacent angle is supplementary because this is a 90 plus 180. And same if all sides of rectangle are equal, means if all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree, then rectangle is called square. Okay, is square. So in square all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Okay, and in the property of square, the diagonal of square bisect to each other. The diagonal of square bisect to each other at right angle. Okay, so this is bisect to each other at right angle, and all remaining properties same as the rectangle. Okay, the other type of quadrilateral is trapezium. Okay, trapezium. In trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so its figure is one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So this is A, B, C, D. So here AB parallel to CD. Okay, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so this is called trapezium, and this is other two sides are unequal, and a trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium is its non-parallel sides are equal. If its non-parallel sides are equal, then quadrilateral is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, so in isosceles trapezium, angle C and angle D is adjacent angle. This angle are equal. Angle C and D are equal. Okay, and in trapezium, the sum of adjacent angle. Okay, the sum of this adjacent angle is supplementary, means 180 degree, and same this is 180 degree. Okay, and kite. So in kite, the quadrilateral is called kite into adjacent pair of sides are equal. Okay, so this is a adjacent sides are pair of adjacent sides are equal. So the figure of kites is look like here. This diagonal bisect to each other at 90 degree. Here we have to form 90 degree. This is a ABC. So a quadrilateral is called kite if pair of adjacent sides are equal. Okay, pair of two sides are equal and its diagonal are bisect to each other. So these are some special type of quadrilateral and their property. Okay.